G'day guys, Matty B here from Geeks. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about injector testing and how we get it done here. So basically with our injector testing, we have a bit of a philosophy on how we deal with things. And so basically, we want to be able to test injectors for our customers. We want to be able to support them diagnostically or whatever the case may be. But our overarching theory with all of this is that they're not our injectors, and it's not our car, and it's not our decision, if that makes sense. And so we see our role as information only. So we will take a set of injectors, and so this set that we'll show you just now was a P5AT, was getting a head job done here locally in town, not the fun kind, the expensive kind. And so they wanted the injectors tested. The thing had 300,000 kilometers. Obviously they're not going to be great at 300,000 kilometers, but they wanted them tested to know that they were okay or not. Now they hardly passed the test. But they were exceptionally even, especially pilot and bottom fuels were very even. They were uniformly low across the board, which is something that we see a lot with piezo injectors. They tend to lose fuel over their age. And so in a black and white world where it's a perfect scenario, yes, you would replace this set. But a vehicle with 350,000 Ks on it's not worth so much money. They're already spending a couple of $1,000s doing the job. They didn't want to spend a couple more on the fuel system. And so at the end of the day, like I said, it's our job to produce the tests, and whatever information that we can provide to you and support you with, we obviously do. And if you ask for our recommendation, you'll get one. Whether and at the end of the day, our recommendation for the customer was they're okay, they're very worn. They're going to be causing some lack of power issues, but otherwise, they are operational and they are okay. And we left it for the customer to make the decision, and the customer wanted to put them back in the vehicle. And so again, not our call. That's how we do things. If that's a fresh approach that we sometimes hear in the marketplace, we'd love to hear from you. And of course, if you'd like any injectors tested or failure analysis completed, obviously that's a service that we can provide for you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.